Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an updated Xbox, Dolby Access app, and a compatible headset or Dolby Atmos-capable TV. Once done, sign into the Xbox profile that will use the audio settings. Open Microsoft Store, search Dolby Access, and install it. This registers the app to your console and account. After installation, launch Dolby Access immediately to accept terms and download the Atmos for headphones trial or full license. Make sure you keep your controller active while downloads complete and the app runs initial setup. You now configure the experience inside Dolby Access. Open the app, navigate to Experience, then select the Xbox section to pick Atmos for headphones or home theater depending on your output. Once selected, follow the guided calibration, which sets levels and virtual speakers. This matters because calibration optimizes object-based audio for your setup. Make sure to enable spatial audio in the app and then exit to the Xbox settings to route audio output to Dolby Atmos. Test with the sample demo to confirm. Finish by adjusting Xbox system settings. Go to Profile Settings, General Volume and Audio Output. Set headset audio to Windows Sonic or Bitstream out depending on your device. Then choose Dolby Atmos for headphones or home theater under Bitstream format. Once set, test in-game audio and the Dolby demo. If you encounter problems, restart the console, verify the Dolby Access license is active, and inspect HDMI or USB cabling. As a key troubleshooting tip, reinstall Dolby Access and rerun the calibration if audio channels are missing or placements feel wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.